This is John. He just celebrated his birthday. Cake on the table, happy moment. He bends down to cut the cake. And guess what? When he stands back up, his knee feels stiff. He pauses for a moment, because this didn't used to happen before. If this feels familiar, you're not alone. For many people, moments like this don't feel serious at first. You notice it, you pause, then you move on. But over time, these small moments start repeating. After sitting, after resting, after a quiet moment. And that's where confusion starts. So today is not about another exercise session. It's about understanding what actually helps stiffness stay away longer. Today, we'll talk about 3 simple things to keep in mind, so stiffness doesn't keep coming back again and again. For many people, stiffness does not mean something is damaged. It often shows up after sitting, resting, or not moving for a while. That's why you can feel better after exercise, but stiff again later the same day. The movement helped, but the body needed it more than once. The body responds better to regular reminders of movement, not one long session. When joints feel stiff, many people try to push harder. They stretch more, they move faster, but force is not required. Slow, comfortable movement helps the joints feel easier again. Comfort always comes before range. If the movement feels smooth and controlled, that is enough. Doing a lot all at once is not the goal. Short, gentle movements done regularly after sitting, after waking up, or during the day often help more over time. Progress is gradual. There is no need to rush it. And this is where simple movements fit in. Let me show you 2 simple examples. These are not meant as a full routine, just gentle movements you can return to during the day. Sit comfortably on a chair, feet flat on the floor. Slowly lean forward. Gently stand up. Pause for a moment. Then slowly sit back down. That's 1. Let's do few repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Move slowly. Use your hands on the chair if needed. Later, if this feels comfortable, you can slowly work up to 15 to 20 repetitions. You can count that as 1 set, and you may do 2 to 3 sets spread through the day, depending on how your body feels. This is the same movement many people feel stiffness with. Sitting, standing, sitting again. Practicing it gently helps the body feel more confident doing it. Stay seated on the chair. Slowly lift one leg forward a little. Pause for a moment. Lower it back down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now switch to the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lift only as far as comfortable. As this becomes easier, you can slowly work up to 10 to 15 repetitions per leg. That counts as one set. And again, you may do 2 to 3 sets during the day based on your comfort and ability. Stop immediately if you feel sharp pain. Mild tightness or effort can be normal. There is no benefit in pushing through pain. Comfort always comes first. If stiffness is something you notice after sitting or resting, gentle movement done regularly is a good place to start. On Fitness Friday, we follow a longer, guided movement session focused on one problem at a time. Move at your own pace. Stay within a comfortable range. These movements are for general support only. If you have pain or a medical condition, speak with a qualified professional.